Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Mercedes C300. Stock number is A7621. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels, inside leather interior, front seats are heated seats. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mercedes on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.